hope you are doing well and staying inspired. I have just finished reading this book, A Woman Makes a Plan by May Musk. I was reading it for the second time. I normally go back to my books. If you don't know who she is the mother of Elon Musk, the Elon Musk. This book is a powerful reminder that reinvention has no age limit. May shares how she faced challenges, single motherhood, career shifts, heartbreak, but never stopped moving forward. She teaches us that success, beauty, and adventure are not reserved for the young, but they belong to the bold. What I love is her honesty, how she talks about building resilience, owning your power, and never being afraid to start again. Whether you are in your 20s or in your 70s, there is something in this book for every woman who wants to live on her own terms. If you need a push to take control of your life, or a reminder that it's never too late to make a new plan, read this book. You won't regret it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to wish you a beautiful, blessed, long Easter weekend. See you in the next one. Bye.